Unusual buildings. There are some very unusual buildings around the world. There's the Kansas City Public Library in the United States. It is the perfect building for a library. The cubic houses in Rotterdam in the Netherlands are very strange. And what about this place? This is Hang Nha Guest House in Vietnam. Here are two more unusual buildings from around the world. Jan Saukey is a Dutch architect. This is his house in Malawi, Africa. Why is Jan's house so special? It is in the shape of a football. It is a football fan's dream home. The 4-story house has got a bathroom, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a living room. It has also got a great view from its windows. The outside is all metal and the inside is all wood, so the house is cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Maybe I'm crazy, but I love football, Jan says. In Huainan, China, there is a great building for music fans. It is in the shape of a piano with a violin in front of it. They are about 50 times the size of a real piano and violin. It's a popular tourist attraction. There is a lift inside the violin to take people up to the next floor. It has got a lot of windows, so there is plenty of light. It isn't a house, it is an office, so there are no bedrooms or kitchens. Is there an unusual building where you live? What is special about it?